All right, guys, on this episode, we're going to pimp my ride. Time to start steampunking the Dodge engine. So let's strip this down and, yeah, we'll start painting it up, getting some brass bits on it, cleaning up some oil filters. I've got a new canister for it. So let's strip this down and get into it.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God, I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright guys, so before we get into this episode, I just want to take this opportunity to sort of reach out to you guys and just ask for a bit of help, you know, just to like, subscribe, share the videos, hit the little bell icon so you can keep up to date with it. It greatly helps me out a bit. We've been falling on tough times lately. That's why some of these episodes sort of come and go real quick. So yeah, invite your friends or show them, like the channel, subscribe to it. The subscriptions help me out a lot. And hit the little bell icon. So yeah, like, subscribe and share, and I would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, back onto this episode. I hope you enjoy it.
All right, so we're going to paint this up and clean it up on my makeshift stand. So I'll leave that there for now, just so we can paint it. But everything's going to come off. That bracket can come off. The pipe can come off. Everything will come off. I have a new oil filter in there, a serviceable one, because believe it or not, these are actually a factory option oil filters. Yeah, in 47 factory option. So yeah, everything will come off it, even the intake and exhaust. I wasn't going to take them off, but I figured while the engine's out, we'll put some new gaskets on it. And I'll send the carby away to be cleaned and rebuilt and everything. So let's get into this, and then we can start making solid leads. That's right. I'm going to make solid copper leads for this thing, like the old Model T Fords had. So let's go. All right, so there you go. I've got this side of the block stripped down. Let's bring it around here. I got this side all stripped down. So now it's just a matter of, I'll give it a wire brush. I'll clean all the gasket mating surfaces and everything, and that. Then I'll wax and grease it, and I'll give it a bit of a lick up with some paint. So I won't bore you with that. Next up, we'll be cleaning the oil filter casing from the rust and making the copper lines for the leads. So we'll see how that goes.
All right, so I've put the distributor back in, just roughly, so I know where, one and start the firing order. I've got my copper tube here. It's 7mm, so that should get us started. It's got 3 meters worth. We'll see how far it goes. And I've got lead ends. Now I've cut these, but I'm going to take these ends off it here, and I'm going to solder them to the copper tube, and then that will sit in here like so, and then I can bend this and route it up to where I want it to go, and I'll do that for all 6 of them. And then that should be done. Then I can take the dizzy off and yeah, start cleaning up that. to get it back on and sat there. And then we'll have leads. And then after that, I'll clean up the tube, put that back on, start reassembling this bad boy. So, all right. All right, got the end on. I'm just going to light up this. We'll start soldering it. We'll see how this goes. Shouldn't take too much to do. Hopefully. I don't know if you can see that. I don't quite know if that's worked, but I'll let it cool down and then we'll give it a go and see. Looks like it's on there. All right, so it's cooled down now. And it's on there. It's solid. So it's not perfect, but I mean, a bit of polish and I'll clean that up and then we'll start bending it and we'll try and get number 1 lead made. All right, so I did look for my brake line bender, but I can't find it. So if I just slot that down in there, like so, hopefully, because it's soft, I should just be able to put a couple of bends in it. Like so. Come out. And then if I mark that where I want it, which will be here, I can crimp that, put a hole in it, and then that'll be number 1. Done, basically. So I'll mark that. Let me get a marker. Mark it a bit past it, like that. Cut that. Fucking, there's one lead done. All right. I'll get on with the rest now. All right, so I got most of the leads done. I fell short for 1 lead. I only got 3 meters of it. I thought that would be enough, so I'll order another meter so I can get that lead done, and then I'll have enough for a second lead, maybe, depending. But yeah, that's basically how it's going to go. So like I said, I'm steampunking this engine. That's the theme of it. Steampunk, like a steam engine. So hopefully this will work.
and it looks absolutely wicked. I don't know how it looks to you guys. Leave your comments below what you reckon. But yeah, I'll make one more lead up when the rest come, and that is ignition leads done. Now you got to remember the Model T Fords had this. All right, so it does work. It is a proven fact. All right, so that'll be it for now. Like I said, I'll make up that extra lead. I've still got some parts to clean up and stuff like that. I've bought a new air compressor so I can keep that going, so we can start sandblasting some of this stuff. I'm sandblasting the chassis at the moment, and getting that done. But until then, keep it real. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Helps out a lot. So yeah, any help's good help, and hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully next week we can start sandblasting some suspension components and start putting the chassis back together. So, all right, like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys later.